Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm starting a little series called Wearable Wednesday, and that's where I pretty much do a wearable look. And I got requested to do something more basic because I'm always out here doing creative, crazy looks. So I did this super basic, already been done before type of look that just anybody can do and go out with. So I use pretty affordable products, and I'm gonna hold them up in the video, and I'm gonna have the name below and the price below, just in case you guys want to go out and buy any or whatever. But these are really good products, super pigmented, super affordable, and yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be prepping my eye with some Morphe eye base. I'm gonna just tap that all over, and then I'm gonna take the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place and use the two top shades that are like an orange and then a neutral brown and mix those together, and then put that in my transition and then just blend out. And I go between this brush and a clean brush and make sure everything is well blended. Next, I'm taking a more cool tone brown and putting that on the outer corner and blending it to my inner corner just below the crease, or just at the crease line. Right here, I'm taking this champagne-y shimmery color and basically doing a cut crease, but I'm not using concealer because this was so pigmented by itself. So I just packed it on, and then after I packed it on, I took my other blending brushes that I've been using and just blended out the edges, the corner where it stops, because I want it to make a nice gradient. So that is it for the completed look. I hope you guys like this look and recreate it and tag me and let me know what you think. I hope you guys also like the start off to this series, because they're gonna just get more wearable. I'm gonna do different colors, different things like that. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this, and I will see you next time.